Hey students, so the next topic is revision strategies. As I have told you that revising means that improving the ideas and organizations for your writing, okay? So it is different from editing, like during revision you focus on whether your essay makes sense, not on grammar or spellings, okay? So, unity. Does everything refer back to main point? Does each topic sentence refer to the thesis? Does each sentence in each BP refer back to the topic sentence? So basically, what is unity? Like unity means every part of the essay should stay focused on the main point. Okay, like every paragraph should discuss only one main idea, and every sentence would support that idea. Okay, like the questions like you have to ask yourself is, does everything relate to the main point? Like does each topic sentence support my thesis statement, or these kind of questions. Okay, for example, we have a topic benefit of exercise. So the good paragraph is this, like you can make sentences like exercise keeps the body healthy, it improves heart health, and it increases energy. Like everything is about exercise, so the paragraph has unity. Okay, and you can say that the bad paragraph is like exercise improves health, I love watching movies or weekends, so the last sentence is unrelated, so unity is broken. So it is important because without unity readers become confused because the paragraph suddenly changes topic. Okay, the next one is detail and support. Okay. So what is support? Like support means giving examples, facts, explanations, or evidence to prove your ideas. Okay. Like a good paragraph should not simply state an idea, it should explain it. And the questions you have to ask is like, does each body paragraph have at least two examples? Like, does every example include enough explanation? Okay. So, for example, the main idea we have is reading improves vocabulary. Okay, so weak support is like reading helps vocabulary, and strong support is like reading helps vocabulary because books introduce new words. When students regularly read novels and newspapers, they learn the meanings and correct usage of many words. Okay, so the second example is much stronger because it explains how and why. Okay, and why is this important? Why support is important? Like support makes your writing believable and interesting. Like without support, readers may not understand or believe your ideas. Okay. So the next one is coherence. Okay. So coherence means that all ideas connect smoothly and logically. Like the essay should flow naturally from one sentence to another. Like readers should not feel lost while reading. Like you have to ask the questions like, do all ideas connect? Are transition words used or not? As I have told you that transition words are first, next, also, however, therefore, finally, in addition, or for example. Okay, so without transitions I exercise daily, it improves my health, I sleep better. This is the example of without transition. And with transition, like I exercise daily, as a result my health improves, in addition I sleep better every night. Okay, so this paragraph flows much better. Okay, and why coherence is important? Like it helps readers easily follow your ideas from beginning to end. Okay, so the next one is revision tips. Okay, so take a break from your draft before attempting to revise. Like you have to take a short break, even 15 to 30 minutes if possible. When you come back, you can see mistakes more easily. Okay? So don't revise immediately after writing. The next one is read your draft out loud and listen to your words. So read every sentence out loud. Like when you hear your own writing, awkward or confusing sentences become easier to notice. Okay, the next one is imagine yourself as your reader. Okay, so pretend you know nothing about the topic. Like ask yourself, is everything explained? Would someone else understand this? Like remember, the writer already knows the topic but the reader may not. Okay, so the next one is look for repeated mistakes. Like everyone has common mistakes. For example, repeating the same word, writing very long sentences, forgetting punctuations, using incorrect verb tenses. Once you know your common mistakes, they become easier to fix. Okay. So the next one is ask others for feedback. Okay. So which is get feedback from peers. Okay. So another person may notice mistakes that you missed, like teachers, classmates, friends, or family members can give helpful suggestions. So constructive feedback always improves writing. Okay. Get help from a tutor. So, okay, so if you are struggling, ask a teacher or tutor. Like they can explain mistakes and teach you know to improve. Okay. So the next one is editing. Okay. Editing is finding and correcting problems with grammar styles, word choice, and usage and punctuation. Editing basically focus on the little picture word level. So, editing is basically different from revising. Like revising basically focus on ideas, organizations, examples, and paragraph. Whereas editing focus on grammars, spellings, punctuations, word choice, sentence structure. So editing happen after revising. Okay. Basically editing focus on grammar, spelling, punctuation, your word choices, and your sentence structure, whereas revising focus on ideas or organizations, your paragraphs and examples. The next one is editing strategies. Okay. So keep an error log to help you identify your problem areas and improve your writing. When editing, review your paper for one type of error at a time. Don't try to read through looking for everything at once. Okay, so basically, uh, write down mistakes you often make. Like, for example, uh, basically, you have mistake in the sentence like there, THEIR its, it's without apostrophe, and ru and run. So you have to correct it in the form their becomes there, it's become it's like with apostrophe s, run, ran. Okay. So basically this is an example in the sentence like where we have any kind of mistakes like this mistakes there, it's, run. So over time you will stop repeating these mistakes. Okay. The next one is check one error at a time. Like, don't try to find every mistake in one reading. Instead, first read only for spellings, like, second read only for grammar, third read only for punctuation, and fourth read only for capitalization. This method is much more effective. Okay. So the next one is editing tips. Okay. So basically, these are the practical ways to find mistakes. Okay. So work with a clean printed copy. Okay. I will explain this in a very short and easy form. Like use a clean printed copy. Like if possible, print your essay. Many people notice mistakes more easily on paper than on a screen. So leave enough space to write corrections. Okay. The next one is read backwards, like start with the last sentence and move upward. This helps you focus on individual sentences instead of the story. So you will notice grammar and spelling mistakes more easily. The next one is don't depend only on spell check. Like computers cannot catch every mistakes. For example, I went to school, TOO, to school. The spelling is correct, but the correct word is TO. So spell check may not find this mistake. The next one is read aloud again. Like reading aloud also helps during editing because you will hear missing words or incorrect grammar. The next one is get feedback. Ask another person to read your essay. Fresh eyes often catch hidden mistakes. And the next one is work with a tutor. So, as I have told you, that teachers or tutors can explain difficult grammar rules and help improve your writing. Okay, so the next one is self review. Okay, before showing your work to someone else, review it yourself. Okay, like you should first fix the mistakes you can find on your own, then another person can help find mistakes you missed. Okay, so you should never move to peer review without first completing a self review. You want your peer to look for mistakes, but you are unable to catch yourself. Okay, the next one is, so basically self review includes like revising ideas, editing grammars, correcting spellings, and improving organization. Okay, so only after completing these steps should you ask for peer review. Okay, so after you have reviewed your own work, make the necessary corrections and print a clean revised copy before moving on to a peer review. Okay, so the next one is peer review. Okay, so peer review means that another student, your classmate or peer, reads your work and gives feedback. So a good peer review include be positive, be specific, give suggestions, and give feedback both verbally and in writing. So basically, it is important to make the peer review process useful. Okay, so basic of useful feedback is it is given in a positive way. Like start with encouraging comments, like for example, your introduction is interesting. Okay, be specific, like instead of saying it's bad, say paragraph 2 needs another example. And offer suggestion, like offer ideas to improve. For example, you could add more details here. Okay, so give feedback both verbally and in writing, like talk about the strength and weakness, like write comments on the paper so the writer can remember them. Okay, so why peer review is important, like another person may notice unclear ideas or mistakes that the writer overlooked. Okay, so the next one is publishing. So publishing basically means that sharing your final piece of writing with others, like after revising and editing your work is ready to be read. Okay, so publishing can include submitting homework to your teacher, posting an article online, printing a book, sharing a report, and displaying your writing in class. Okay, so publishing is a final stage because the writing is complete. So it is a final slide. It introduces reflection, like an extra step after publishing. Like what is reflection? So in easy word, like reflection means that thinking about your writing after receiving it back. Like ask yourself, what did I do well? What mistakes did I make? And what did my teacher or classmate suggest? How can I improve the next time? Okay. So this is an important topic, like the reflection is also important because it means that thinking about your writing and receiving it back. Okay,